Here the multiply fraction. So you can see simple way, step by step, easy way. You can get step by step solution. So multiply the numbers. So you can see 2, 2, 5, 3 into multiply 4 by 5. So here's the number you can see here. So what's the right solution? So you can see the upward, you can multiply upward like this. You can see below like this. 2 into 4 equal 8. So upward 2 into 4 equal 8. It's done. And you can see the below numbers here. The below numbers here 3 into 5 equal 15. You can see the multiply the diminish. So here the right answer. So subscribe for more update and like and subscribe, share with your friends. The final and right answer is here. You can see the solve right answer here. So 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 equal 8 by 15 is the multiplying fractions. So like and subscribe for more update. Thanks for watching guys. Don't never forget press the like and subscribe.